Alright, it's time to get ready. Got my thermals. Got our hat on, got our uniform on. It's time to go get busy. What we're going to be working on is a generator. We're not going to work on this generator because this is my generator and this is what I use to get my house up and going. This stays inside the garage where it's nice and warm, and when it needs to run, I come over to it, I turn it on, I choke it, and then I start it right up. Got a little cord there, goes right into my heavy duty plug there, which goes to my breaker box. I have a special disconnect built on it. It starts up, it runs, and it powers the whole house. Hasn't given me any problems yet. Granted, it's only got 81 hours, so it stays on standby. I got the battery replaced this year, and I keep track of my changes and stuff. I actually write down the hours that it was done at, what kind of oil I've got. So what we're going to do, though, is we're going to go work on a home standby generator and see what's wrong with it. The problem with today is it's about 15 degrees and it's snowy. Let's go take a look at it and see what's going on and see if it's not a battery issue, fuel issue, snow issue, or maintenance issue. Now, one of the other things I didn't mention it could be is the environmental. Some of these generators don't like to start when it's extremely cold. Now, they do have cold weather kits for them that helps out quite a bit, and they've made some major improvements over the years with electronics changing like they do all the time. You know, the first generation didn't have choke, they didn't have heaters, they didn't have a lot of stuff. The brushes would freeze into place, they'd just have a fit. They'd lock out on under voltage because they couldn't make voltage because the brushes were frozen in place. A lot of things affected them. So we're going to go take a look at this one. It just says it has a red light. I'm not sure exactly what it is that's causing it. So we're going to take a look at it, see what's going on. But, you know, something to consider before you guys go in to start servicing generators is think about when you're going to be working on them. They always break when they're needed. When are they needed? They're needed in extreme cold, extreme hot, when it's raining, snowing, basically extreme crappy weather. So before you hop into it, just make sure you're ready to work in this kind of weather. I can't imagine why it may not have started and ran, but we'll take a look. You gotta remember, you gotta bring a shovel with you just in case, because as you can tell, the truck's not really built for snow. I mean, I weigh close to 10,000 pounds, but it's amazing how easy these can get stuck. So what I'll do is I'll pull in, I'll back up and forth a few times, and that way I try to get myself a path, and I'll also try to point my nose to the road because it's a lot easier to get out. Let's go talk to the customer and find out what the complaint is. Can't get to the front door that way, so I guess we'll just walk through the back. Hopefully we can get to somebody. All right, well, they'll probably hear me out here working. There's no way to get to their door, and I don't think they want me trudging through the thing. So we have a RPM sense loss. I'm going to tell you guys right now, it's not your do-yourself channel. Like I said before, it costs money for us to go to school for these things. I am doing this for the guys that need extra help. Not saying I'm all that, because I don't do near the many as I used to. But a lot of times, you know, it's just the normal things that need maintenance. You can see that the snow probably got sucked into there. And it wouldn't surprise me with these crazy temperatures, those brushes might have froze. But that's just kind of prejudging it. I'm going to see where we're at on our oil, make sure the obvious stuff's taken care of, which looks good enough for what I see.